guys, today we're gonna make cute mini tissues. So first we're gonna get some tissue, so just like this. Then we're gonna fold it. Then again. Then again. Then we're gonna the scissors and it should look like this. Then there's like a line here. So we're gonna cut through it. And then we're gonna pick a color. Let's use green. And you can do anything you want. So what I did is a smiley face here. And the other ones I did is blue, green, and purple. So you can use these mini tissues to wipe your baby's mouth, or in case something spills, like a mini water, and for her, because she's eating chocolate. Imagine this is a mess over here. You can use some tissue to wipe it, and you can stack them up on the side over here, and you can also make a little box if you want for them, like this, so she can get it up and wipe. And she can also hang it like up the side here. So this is how I make my toys. I make some houses with some boxes, and I get creative with craft stuff. And I also make some drawings and like a leaf that I stick on that actually works. I will show you these in other videos next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.